Good day, and welcome to the Alberti-Base. Now, like the guy in the song Tutor Africa, I recently stopped an old man along the way, and he asked me, "Sonny boy, are you using your talents to give back to the community?" And at first I was like, "Okay, boomer."
Okay, boomer, okay, boomer, okay, boomer, okay, boomer.
You know what? It got me thinking. All my videos up till this point have been informative, like if you wanted to, you could really learn something from them. But none of them really give back to the community like this old guy said. So today, this video is all about the giving back, about using my talent to make the world a better place. To make the world a better place, I had to ask myself, what really makes my life easier? And the first thing I came up with is my typing speed. The ability to type fast as hell makes me a good coder, but it sure as hell also helps in other aspects of my life, such as writing video scripts for you guys to watch. Because I type very fast, my life is easy. And I decided today that I can give this talent to other people. I could reach out to them by giving them this talent. Now, I hear you. Typing tutor programs, they already exist. I'm not bringing something new to the table with this, am I? To really bring something new to the table, I'll need to innovate. I'll need that innovation. I need to solve problems. And the biggest problems with the normal typing tutors are they're boring. They're really boring. Sitting all day, clicking away at your keyboard is boring. No one learns like that. I mean, I did, but no one else will learn like that. To fix this boringness, I decided to implement a system of positive reinforcement. Something that makes you feel good. It makes your heart feel warm about doing things right, including typing. And the best way to make someone feel good and their heart warm about their typing skills is, well, to make them feel bad for making typing mistakes. And how would I do that? Well, you guys know me. If you wanted to see someone get shocked by a keyboard, you came to the right place, boy. Now, if you've watched some of my previous videos before, well, first of all, thank you very much. I like that. Secondly, you know I already designed a shocking circuit. The on-off Arduino shocking circuit. And while that circuit certainly is powerful and did, hurt my hand very much. Flashbacks over here. 2, 1. That really delivers a painful shock. But I had to ask myself, is that the best I have to give? That pretty much could kill a guy. Because, today is all about the giving back to the community. And I thought I could give more. So I'll hand off this video to the Circuit Lab Alberti-Base, and he will tell you about the new shocky circuit I have made. Welcome to the Alberti-Base Circuit Lab, where some of my best work is being done. Now, I'm not going to talk through everything I did for this build, because time and all that, but if you want me to explain everything in detail, well, I could do that in a separate video, so tell me in the comments, please. Anyways, for this circuit, let me just flip around here. You basically need to know that I use something called a 555 timer, and they look like this. They're these little spidery thingies. What this does is produce the on-off that I used in my previous video, that oscillation, but it has the benefit of being able to do so at extremely high frequencies. And my last video was powerful. Okay, well, those are definitely some sparks. But if you want power, well, this little boy has it. So let's pop that in the circuit and I can show you the big sparks that this thing can produce.
I love you, and I miss you. to call me back.
So the shocky part of the circuit is controlled by a relay, which is basically an electromagnetic switch, but I'm not explaining this thing now. All this connects up to an Arduino, which connects to my PC. And for the user, I've designed this nice little Velcro-based shocky strap. Now, I'm handing off to the coding part of the project. Hi, and welcome to the coding part of this video. Don't worry, don't skip yet. I'm not showing actual code on screen today, just showing you how the program works. Now, to build the program, I used a language called Python. Why did I use Python? Well, Python can do basically anything. It just sucks at doing most things. But it's easy, so I've used it. The code I had to write for this project is actually very interesting, and I've learned quite a few things. So if you want me to explain how I did it, tell me in the comments and I'll explain it in a future video. The program itself looks very simple. It's command line based. It prints a starting message, which says, "Welcome to the typing tutor," and then it gives you lines to type. Just be careful, because if you make a mistake... Of course, no video about making a product, giving back to the community, will be complete without getting some reactions from the community, will it? Here we go. So obviously for a product like this, we need to do some market research. We need to see if the community will benefit from a project such as this one. And I happen to have a perfect little subject who's been wanting to learn touch typing for a long time, and I think my product will greatly help him to do this. Here he is. Hi, you want to come and try out my typing tutor?
Okay.
Okay, come. Come. Like a lamb to the slaughter. Okay, come. So, to properly learn touch typing, I've developed a program like this one. When you look on the screen, it says, "Welcome to the touch typing tutor. Type the lines in the order they are presented to you. Press any key to begin." But before you press the key, we have a little thing called positive reinforcement, because I thought to myself, like, what would help people enjoy the program? And the answer is positive reinforcement. And so you need to wear the typing tutor bracelet for positive reinforcement.
What the hell is this?
It's positive reinforcement. That's all this is. Don't you worry. It's just positive reinforcement. When you type nice, it gives you positive reinforcement. But before you go for that, there's another rule. Because for touch typing, you're not allowed to look at your fingers. And so we have this, a little cloth. So you can place your hands on the keyboard in home row. Not pressing a key yet. But you more or less know the keys already, right? So if
No, I don't.
Well, here's to your funeral. Press the spacebar to begin. The second row is like level 2. It's like typing actual words. It gets you to like the typing you would be doing in the real world. That's the second row. You're doing great, but please continue.
I think this is the right one. Oh, what?
What's wrong?
What? Get it?
Come on, you need to finish the typing exercise.
Not now.
No, you need to finish. It's before I slam the keyboard right now. You need to finish. It's positive reinforcement. Just think, now that you know what it does, like how nice you're going to feel when it doesn't do that. I think we can safely say the product is working. Anyways, you need to finish your typing exercises, else you will never learn to type. Dude, no! Thank you for coming on to the Alberti-Base. Have a nice day.
I'm never going to do that again.
Damn! Now, I don't know about you, but I think this product is a raging success. People will learn to type so much faster using this. Positive reinforcement. I think it's amazing. I really like giving back to the community. This makes my heart so warm. In fact, I like it so much that I'll definitely be doing something like this again in the future. Seriously, who doesn't like shocking people for the lols? On a serious note though, my comments have been very silent since I started. Guys, no one will kill you for typing something, saying hello to me down there. This isn't China, we have free speech. If you want me to explain either the electronics or the code of any of my things, if you have any questions about the products I make or the videos I do, please ask them down below. Don't be shy. I'll answer them in the comments or in the next video if it's complicated enough. Don't worry. For this video though, well, that's it. Thank you for watching. If you want to see more just like it, please hit subscribe so you don't miss anything. Also, if you liked it, don't be shy. Hit that like button for me and say hello in the comments. Thanks. Alberti-Base out.